What is up, y'all? Good morning. How are y'all doing today? I'm so glad to be bringing y'all this unboxing because I've been waiting for this. If y'all can see here, I'm gonna show y'all here in a second. This is my old Period Apple Watch that I usually use. Reason why I stopped using it so frequently is because, as y'all can see here, I gotta get something replaced. Yeah, the screen got cracked pretty badly. I don't actually no, I think this was a roller coaster incident. I was on a roller coaster and just got like smashed into something. Long story short, that's exactly what happened. But I thought it was broken, but because the screen was frozen and every once in a while it does get frozen, so I had to hard reboot it. But I got it to reboot and reset, and then I got it to update. So I was using it again, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and update. So the only reason why I updated is because the price to get this fixed versus how much it would to get me this. I just said might as well get the new one. So I will be keeping this one some down in the future, like probably next year. I'm gonna get this fixed up, but for now, I'm gonna be using this. It's gonna be my main driver. I'm gonna get everything swapped over. But we're gonna do this unboxing, and I hope y'all enjoy. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let's do it, y'all. So let's get into the back here. It is an Apple Watch Ultra 2, natural titanium, and y'all can see here. Yes. This is the booklet. I'm gonna show this to y'all real quick. Because they've been trying to lower the waist. So glad they actually are trying to do that. But yeah, booklet how the device is basically set up. How you would set up this device. I'm pretty sure I already know how to set up the device, but yeah. And now I did have to get the Ocean Band with this. Not the Ocean Band, but the what was this? The Alpine loop. Going to be getting another loop for this, probably because as y'all know, Apple Watch bands are interchangeable. So I'm going to be getting a new band for this, but for right now, this is the band I'm going to be using. Let's go ahead and unbox that real quick before we hit the main thing. Whoops. Pretty sure you're not supposed to tear that. Yep, exactly. Zip tie right here. Clean. A little band right here. Comes in this nice little sleeve. Oh, yeah, that's nice. All right. Ooh, that was satisfying. So, yep, that's going to be the band right there for the watch. Now, let's pop the watch out. Now, I'm definitely going to be getting a bumper case for this because even though this is a very high-end durable watch, I still want to make sure this doesn't get no damage because, yes, they are high-end and durable, but this was high-end and durable too. And y'all saw what happened to this. So, well, not high-end and durable. This is more high-end and durable than this one, but y'all know what I'm saying. These are high-end durable devices, but yeah. Y'all get me. Sorry about that. Open that. And this is going to be the device. That's going to be, I think, the booklet for the device. No, this is the charger book, so we're going to put that down right there. Yep. Charging. Oh, this is USB-C. Thank God. I didn't think this was going to be USB-C, but something did tell me. Oh, wait. I did watch an unboxing for this, but I'm doing this right? Yeah, okay. So you pop that and then pop that. Yep. Nice and braided. I love braided cables. They're more durable in my opinion, and plus Apple does have a way of doing good durable braided cables. I have one that's for my phone right now, and that one hasn't broke. Hasn't seen no wear or tear yet. So yeah, love these braided cables. And this supports fast charging also, so that's also a plus. And here's the watch itself. As you can see the action button right there in the back. The buttons on the side, wait. This. She said it was natural, and she gave me a black one. Whatever. I'll just rock with the black one, I guess. Who knows? Maybe this might actually grow on me too. Give me a second. Yeah, I'm trying to figure. Jesus. This packaging is crazy almost. How do you. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm not supposed to do that, but I guess. Pop that, pop that, pop that, and then. Yeah. And you can clearly tell this is the Ultra 2 because the Ultra 2 is the only one that got the black. So yeah. That is nice, y'all. Now if y'all give me a second. Well, not a second. Pretty. I can't wait to get this all nice and set up. Hold on, let me get this a nice little wipe off real quick. But yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. And I'm gonna be telling y'all within like a week or two how I feel about this. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Deuces.